From humble street food to royal feasts, the journey of your favorite meals is more incredible than you know. This is the history of the dish.
The bagel. Bagels are a beloved bread product with a rich history that traces back to Jewish communities in Eastern Europe. The exact origin of the bagel is debated, but it likely emerged in Jewish communities in Poland during the 14th or 15th century. One popular theory suggests that bagels were created as a competitor to the Obwarzanek, a Polish boiled and baked bread ring. The first known written mention of the bagel comes from 1610 in Krakow, where it was referenced in Jewish community regulations. Bagels were a staple in Ashkenazi Jewish cuisine, particularly in Poland and Germany. Their round shape symbolized eternity and the cycle of life, making them popular for celebrations like births and weddings. Because they were boiled before baking, bagels stayed fresh longer, making them practical for Jewish families observing the Sabbath, when baking was forbidden. Jewish immigrants brought bagels to the United States in the late 1800s and early 1900s, particularly settling in New York City. The Bagel Bakers Union, Local 338, was formed in NYC in the early 1900s, maintaining strict standards for traditional hand-rolled bagels. Bagels were initially sold by street vendors, often strung on poles for display. Today, bagels are a global phenomenon with variations in different countries. New York style, boiled then baked, dense and chewy, and Montreal style sweeter, boiled in honey water, wood-fired, are two famous styles. Bagels are enjoyed with cream cheese, lox, butter, or as sandwiches. The word bagel comes from the Yiddish bagel, derived from the German bagel, meaning ring or bracelet. National Bagel Day is celebrated in the US on the 15th of January. The world's largest bagel was made in 2004, weighing 714 pounds.
The recipes for all of our dishes are linked in the description below. Like, subscribe, and click on the next video.